Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the bagendajunior trading. So today I want to show you a very simple strategy, guys. This is let's call it a scalping strategy. Hands down, this is the best scalping strategy, hands down, if you're scalping. So I'm going to do this on the US tech, or what you call Nasdaq. So this is Nasdaq. It looks like this US tech because this is the XNES broker. So how do you scalp in the market, guys? So what you want to do is go to the 4-hour time frame. You go to the 4-hour time frame like this, you see. So we're going to be looking out for impulsive moves. So this is an impulsive move, you see. From here to here, this is a big impulsive move. So guys, whenever we have an impulsive move, there we should always expect a retracement. Whenever we have a very big impulsive move like this, we should always expect a retracement. The reason why this impulsive move is there is just because we had this, you see, this downtrend market. As you can see, this is a very downtrend market. So we had price, breaking this. See, we have price breaking our trend line, our blue, not the trend line, but this is called a moving average. So price crossed from this red moving average to the blue moving average. So when price crosses like this, it means price has broken this. You see this trend line. Let's say if we had drawn a trend line, so this would be a trend line. So price has broken there. So how do you take a trade whenever you have an impulsive move? So what we're going to do, we're going to be looking for retracements like this, you see, like this. You see this coming down, this is a retracement. So before that, let me first close off some of my position. Let me close half of my position. You see I have a stop loss and a take profit. I'll just close off half of it so that I can, yes, I've closed half of it. So what you want to do is, we're going to be looking for retracements only, guys. Retracements. So whenever I have an impulsive like this, let's look for a retracement. How do we see a retracement? A retracement, you just know whenever we're in a new trend, and market is forming a new trend. As you can see, this is now a new trend because price has suppressed this previous lower high. So meaning now this is a new trend. So price has just broken through. Now this is like a retest, and then price will keep on going back up. But again, for me, I wanted to scalp up and then make like a quick 200 and plus pips, because this is Nasdaq. So meaning the peak value on Nasdaq is different from the peak value on the other pairs, guys. So as I was saying, we need to have an impulsive move, then a retracement. Then whenever we have a retracement, guys, I already know that whenever I have a retracement I know how far the retracements will go, because the distance between here and here, this is 100%. So I want to see how far will this retracement come, you see. So I know it most times, at least it has to come 38% of this, or 50%, or even 60%. So this is why I jumped into this trade. I didn't jump in, but again, I was working on something I've been in for a long time. I've seen this and I've traded this many times. So today I wanted to do a video and then show you how quick and easy is it to take this trade, guys. As you can see, so whenever we have an impulsive, guys, I want you to understand, whenever I have an impulsive, let's wait for a retracement. So whenever this retracement is coming in, always set up your take your entries, guys. Always make sure to find entries and then take the trade. So when you're taking the trade, you have to go to the 30 minutes time frame, guys. This is why you take your trade from the 30 minutes time frame. So this is where I took my trade from, guys, and I took my trade just on this other candle here. So let me draw this so that you can see it. So guys, this is where I took my trade from. Let me draw this out for you. So, and I've already done a strategy about how you can find this. So since we had guys, as you can see, let me adjust. So since we have as you can see, this is a downtrend also on the 30 minutes time frame. So since we have this, you see, this was like a support level. Price was jumping on here for some time. Then when it broke through, it came back now to retest. So price was having a hard time going through here. So meaning this was now a resistance. So what did you expect price? We only expected price to push down, guys. We only expected price to push down. That's why you see now price is quite pushing down like this, you see. So I took my entry just here. So meaning even when I wanted to draw there, I would draw something like this to form as a, let's say, flag or something like that. Something like this, you see. Something like this, you see. This would be like a flag, as you can see, guys, you see. So I had like proper set. You can even see price is running very fast, guys. Nasdaq is very volatile when it comes to XNES. There are two types of Nasdaq. Let me show you. There are two types of Nasdaq. We have also this one. no, this one. Let me search for Nas US Tech. So guys, there are two types. There is this. Let me remove this. So we have this and this. So this is more volatile. This one is very fast. That's why you see. Oh guys, this is a very good day. So again, guys, look out for the 30 minutes time frame to take your entries. I took my entry on the 30 minutes time frame, as you can see. But when you go back to the 4-hour time frame, as you can see, this was a very simple trade. The other thing that I used is what we call. Let me remove this so I can show you in a bit. So the other tool, or the other most underrated let's say concept, is the Fibonacci retracement. So most of people don't use the Fibonacci retracement, but again, me, I use it, as you can see. So I'll put this. So when you're placing a Fibonacci on an uptrend, you place it from the swing low to the swing high, as you can see, and then drag to the future, as you can see. So this is my Fibonacci, guys. As you can see, we have a Fibonacci retracement. So as you can see, even as I told you, I expect price to push even more. As you can see, guys, profits. So I expect the price to push up to at least this level here, at least this level. But me, I put my take profit at least here, because I know price has to at least come and meet this trend line before it going back up. But again, price can even come as low as here. So this is why I took this trade, and I had to make sure my stop loss is tight. My stop loss is there, and me, even though I have my stop loss there, so I just have to make sure I'm not risking more than 1% of my account. So meaning, if I go in a loss and it's 1% of my balance, meaning I'll close the trade. Yeah. So this is on a small account, but if I'm trading on a big funded account like 50,000, 200,000, it means that my 1% will be very big. It can even be $1,000 if I'm trading on 1%. And also, guys, if you want to get funded, check out the link in my bio and get funded now with my forex funds. You can get funded in just less than in a few hours. You'll be funded the moment you make your payments and then everything. So make sure to use the link in my bio and get funded, guys. This is a very simple strategy, as you can see. Impulsive retracement. I sold. You know, I always tell you we only buy on an uptrend, but again, it's always good to always find out setups. So me, the others have been in forex. I know if when price we have an impulsive, we have to have a retracement. So most of the times I only buy retracement. I only buy the impulsive move, but again, why not scalp on the retracement as long as you have a tight stop loss, guys. That was our trade. You can even see the daily time frame. Well, it's a big impulsive, you can see. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed that video. It was a quick scalp before I went to the gym. I wanted to make it very, very quick so that you can understand how we scalp in the market. You can even see on the 1 hour time frame, on our RSI, relative strength index, it's the sellers that have momentum. As you can see, even on the 4 hour time frame, the price is still turning down, meaning price is still coming back down in some more. I'll close even some more profits here, guys. Let me close up some more. This is profits. I don't want price to take back my profits. As you can see, I had $1,000 here, so I flipped this to 2,000. This is a lot of money, guys. So after a few hours, as I predicted, price would move, or as I had analyzed that price would move this way, guys. So as you can see, so this is where I was in for sales, guys. Remember with the first video, or the first clip you saw when I was in profits? Yeah, these are the profits. I closed them already. You see these two, these three, I closed them off. Yeah, remember we are trading Nasdaq, so I told you I was going in for a sell because this was an impulsive move, so we have to have a retracement before price pushing back up. So that, guys, that's what we had. That's what, and I told you properly that price will come to this level, and this is where it's going to bounce off and go back up. The reason for that, 38.2 level and 50 level, those are the best Fibonacci levels where price always turns and goes back the other way around, guys. So guys, forex is very simple. And I'm not just saying it's very simple. It's because me, the reason why I'm saying right now it's simple, because I've seen the hard part of forex and I've overcome it. You see, I've understood my mistakes I've done in all those few years I've been in forex. So that's why now I say forex is simple, because now I've mastered my mistakes and I'm no longer doing my mistake, guys. You see, I've developed my trading systems and I've like been able to be profitable with them. I've practiced them on the demo accounts before bringing them on the real account, guys. You see, You can even see now here the RSI has reversed. Now it's pointed up, meaning we have this bullish run that is going to happen anytime soon, you know. So guys, this was the strategy. Impulsive retracement has to come in and we go in for the buys. Again, when you're scalping, we're only going to be scalping on the sells. So even if we have an impulsive move to the upper side, it means price is going to go in an uptrend. So meaning, let's wait for the retracement to happen, and then when you see the retracement happening, find your entry, make sure your stop loss is tight, and then yeah. So and then there is you should do that when price is still in this zone here. The first zone of the Fibonacci is between 0 and to 23%. So you should do this between here. You should take yourselves in between this level and this level. But when you find price has crossed to this level, don't take your trade there. Don't take your trade there. It's risky. Price may reverse over a sudden, and then, you know, yeah. So mostly me, I'll take my trades in here, because I know if you have a big impulsive move, at least price has to retrace a percentage of this. So meaning, and most of the cases, price retraces at least 38 or 50 level, guys. I hope, guys, this has been very simple. I hope this has been very educative to all of you guys. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on our weekly videos that we post, guys. I'm going to be posting videos literally every after one day. I'm going to be posting videos on all trades that I take, so that you can see my trading system is all the same. Strategies that I post out, they are all the same, and in all these, it's just the risk management that has to be the major thing, guys. See you, my people.